So I realized it stopped recording while I was working. So here's where I'm at now. I put those on there. They're still drying. Stringy glue. And I also realized that I glued this back part the correct way. So if you can see that. That way is correct because it fits exactly up against these it fits up exactly up against that. Oh shoot, I put some glue on one side and it started to go. Okay, so I also lowered the quality of my video. Hopefully I just had it up too high before and it's not going to make it bad. Hi, Ferric. You decided to come in after yelling? He has to tell you about stuff sometimes, like toys and things. Okay. So, get in there. And up against there. Yay. Some glue around. I mean, I guess that's to be expected. You'll see some glue in places. Don't have any glue on the bottom. I wonder if I should glue it. Or if the sides will be enough. Okay. I also moved the camera so that it wasn't, because I kept putting my hands out of the frame. Okay, so there's that. It seems sturdy. Okay, next step, these little guys. Looks like they just go on the inside like that. From what I can tell. They're not up against the back edge, they're on the inside. Okay. Am I still out of the frame? Yep, that's a lot of glue. Oh, I need some on the bottom. It's cute. Okay, and this outer edge. Nice. I gotta keep an eye on that record button, make sure it's still recording. Nice. cute. Okay. A42. It's one of these thin guys, or both. One or both. Beep beeps. Okay, so there's two. What are you telling me? One goes up on the back. Oh, okay. That's A41. Okay, so here's what I think it's doing. It's like this, where one is up resting on the other. So I'm going to glue one flush against the back, and then another one as a little shelfy thing. That's what I understand. Little shelfy thing. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Okay. So am I off the screen again? Sorry, everybody. Having a hard time gripping this. Uh-oh, work calls. I'm gonna have to go see what that is and come back. Okay, so this right up there like that. Make sure to get it flat and centered. Looks like it's sticking up on the left side, but maybe not. Yeah, that's coming together. Gotta pick off some glue some places. Cool. Okay, we will resume this soon.